Hi guys, good evening. Hope you all had a great weekend. Tomorrow's market analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty would be, so if you see the market in a higher time frame, which is in 1 hour, or let me get into the 4 hour time frame and let me see what's happening in 4 hours. So in 4 hour, it looks like a classic pullback, and we can't say as of now that the market is going to go bearish, because in Bank Nifty the market has enough space to go up, and if the fall has to, I mean, if the market wants to fall, there is this extreme supply area here, and it might fall from here. Okay, but if you see Nifty started to uh, reject from the extreme supply area. All right, because internally we are bearish. Okay, internally we are bearish in higher time frame, but if market opens somewhere, like let's say if the market opens flat tomorrow morning, okay, probably this is an order block area or a demand area in Nifty, and it entered into it, and as soon as it entered, we can see a clear rejection happening from this block, and we also have this zone which is still protected, as in unmitigated supply area. Okay, the market might fall from here itself if we see any rejection happening in this zone. Okay, if uh, if we see any market structure shift forming in this zone, then the market will bleed, like I said. Okay, it started to bleed, but as of now, just because the market has started to bleed doesn't mean that the fall will continue. But if it opens flat in this area itself, look for a shift to the bullish side, and here itself you can short it. If we see any market structure shift to the bearish side here, we can short it, and also the market started to reject from this breaker area itself. Okay, yesterday, on Friday Friday market session, if you see, the market started to reject, and here the market already took off this entire sell side liquidity in these candles, and right now it is trying to go bullish as of now. At least this chart looks that way to me. It might go until this area, and if at all we see any sort of rejection coming from here or any structural shift happening here, the market might fall more. And here, and also I forgot to mention whether if the market is crossing this zone. Okay, if the market is crossing this gray color zone which I marked, or this area, this potential area, okay, if any higher time frame candle closes below this, then we can consider the market is going to fall, because internally we are bearish, and here we can see a clear break of structure to the bearish side. And anyway, like I said, I'm not even trusting this market, because it started to move up from this inducement area, and majorly that will be a trap area for early buyers. So if the market opens flat, look for a shift, go until this position, and if you find any market structure shift to the bearish side, you short it, and this time your take profit area will be here itself, because market will take out this sell side liquidity. Okay, that is for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, see, in Bank Nifty it is clearly a classical pullback. Okay, it is not an indication that the market is going to go up, but since it entered into this inducement area or whatnot, it started to go bullish, and market has like this Bank Nifty has enough space to go up, because the extreme supply is right above at 48,000 levels. And if we get into smaller time frame, okay, here we have an unmitigated order block. If the market opens gap down or flat opening, you wait until market come into this zone, look for a structural shift here, and then probably you aim until this point. Okay, only until this point, this level. And if it is crossing above, because there is a void to fill, and also we have an extreme supply here, and by the time the market reaches here, probably Nifty will also reach this position, or it might even cross. We never know. But if the market reaches to this position, and if we find any shift to the bearish side, we can see a market falling somewhere like around, like, if you ask me, somewhere around 3000 points of fall can be seen in the market. Okay, but if the market opens flat, like I said, you wait for this place, look for shift, go long, exit your partials here, and rest of the quantity be break even. And if it is crossing this high, previous day high, you wait until this point, because the market will definitely go until this point. We have a void, and we also have an extreme supply area resting here, which is still unmitigated. And if at all the market opens gap down, okay, that day it happened, right? Like some sort of 1600 falls, 1600 points of fall. If that happens, then we can't say we can't do anything, because the major demand zone is here at 43,000 levels, 43,600, like 43,200 to 43,600. And if any 4-hour time frame shift happens in this area, then the market will either create all-time high, or probably then it would reach until this point and then it might fall. But I am expecting that the market for tomorrow, since there was an aggressive selling on Friday, it might open gap down somewhere in this area, and then probably it will go until this position, and then probably it might shift its structure here, or if it is crossing this structure, then probably this will be the last point for the market to go. And if the market doesn't respect this, it will create an all-time high. But if any structural shift happens here, then that will be kick-ass for us. And also in Nifty, like I said, if the market opens flat in this area, you look for a shift, go until this position, and then look for shift here in this zone, and then short it. Okay, and if it opens gap down somewhere in this level, okay, like you can see a line marked here, right? If the market opens somewhere in this level, then look for a market structure shift to the bullish side, and then you go until this point. And if you see any structural shift here, right, and then it might fall like this until this point. That is the point where the market will fall. So that's it, guys. Anyway, I will be sharing my charts or whatever it is, whatever my view was, or whatever my view is for tomorrow in the live markets. Stay tuned. If you like the content, please do subscribe to NA Capital, and also please follow us on Instagram and Telegram. Thank you.